sheep. Ooh, Church Farm, huh? Mr. and Mrs. Oxford Downs. He has a good mullet head. Look at that there. A little tuft. Free range fibre. How we doing, boys? Girls? It's a little hot today, isn't it? Hi. Oh my God, you've got the most gorgeous eyes. They're so bulgy. Your eyes. I'll get a picture of you. These eyes are so cool. I guess there's a reason for that. Sorry. Look at you in your coat. Was it a bit of a chilly night? To be fair, it was. How we go, sheepy? Hey, can we stop beating each other up? We're on camera. Can we try and perform and be nice? Oh, he's rubbing his booty. Can we try and be good? Your eyes are so gorgeous. Look at your sheep. Hey. Yeah, I don't want to get that on camera. Yeah. Oh, he's so cute.